Imagine professional business communication as simple and seamless as sending a text message on WhatsApp. With Tally Prime 4.0, that's now a reality. We worked closely with the Meta team to bring WhatsApp into Tally Prime. With WhatsApp for Business now integrated with Tally Prime 4.0, you can send any document, from reports to reminders and invoices with a single click. You can even send QR codes and payment links to make it easy for your customers to pay you. And the best part? You can send it all to multiple people or businesses at once. You can send an individual report or your entire dashboard in PDF, JPG, or Excel format to your accountant or your team members in a few clicks. No more tiresome steps or manual processes. Just create the invoice and Tally Prime will take care of the rest. The WhatsApp voucher after save option sends the voucher as soon as it is saved. Your customers will love the convenience of being able to view and pay invoices directly from their WhatsApp inbox. And you'll love the peace of mind knowing that all of your communication is centralized and easy to manage. Not just that, you can increase your visibility with just a few clicks. Now you can create WhatsApp campaigns that will send your promotions, offers, and announcements to a large customer base. It's the easiest way to get the word out and boost your brand's awareness. Managing your business-related communications has never been simpler or more professional. Tally Prime 4.0. Simply professional. Upgrade today.